In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. A general ledger is the backbone of your accounting. It's the complete record of all your accounts, showing debits, credits, and running balances. In Zoho Books, creating your ledger means pulling up the general ledger report for the period you want, so you can review totals with confidence and share accurate figures with your team or your accountant. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, click Reports on the left sidebar. That opens the Reports hub, where Zoho groups everything from sales summaries to accountant-focused reports. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing, so your numbers reflect the right books. On the Reports page, scroll until you see General Ledger. Depending on your layout and role, it may appear under an Accountant section or within all reports. When you open General Ledger, you'll land on a report view that compiles every account in your chart of accounts. You'll typically see columns like account name, debit total, credit total, and balance. This view is designed to help you confirm that entries are posted correctly and that totals reconcile across your system. You can also select a date range to tailor the ledger to the period you need. Use options like this month, last month, or custom to set precise from and to dates. Choosing the correct range matters. Many teams align this with monthly closes, quarter ends, or a fiscal year. If you work across time zones, align your selection with the time zone used in your organization settings to keep reports consistent. After you set the dates, the ledger refreshes and recalculates the totals for that exact window, letting you focus on the accounts and activity that matter right now. As you review the ledger, look for balance movements that make sense for the period and scan debit and credit totals for unusual spikes. If an account looks off, it's often a sign to drill deeper into that account's transactions and confirm the source entries. Also remember that Zoho Books commonly presents figures on an accrual basis unless you've configured it differently. So revenue and expenses reflect when they're earned or incurred. That's all there is to it. Open reports, find general ledger, and set your date range. You've now created your ledger view in Zoho Books ready for review, reconciliation, or sharing with stakeholders. If something doesn't look right, revisit your selected period and confirm you're in the correct organization before investigating further.